So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna try and make these TE37's fit by installing these SPC Camber ball joints. So here it is, a TE37's. For those who remember from the last video, the TE37's didn't fit as it was a bit wide, and maybe it needed a bit more camber. So hopefully in today's video we can install these SPC camber ball joints and hopefully it will do the job. But it only gives about 1.5 degrees of camber, which probably isn't enough, but let's just hope, fingers crossed, it actually works. So let's have a size of the unopened one. Yeah, here it is. Same. Fuck. And also guys, I bought this from super cheap. This is a ball joint remover tool and hopefully it does the job. The reviews were pretty decent, but I'm kind of scared, bro. That teeth right here is a bit small, so I'm hoping it'll do the job. But anyways guys, let's jack up the car and attempt to install these. Alright, so we have just jacked up the car and take off the wheels, and the part we're replacing is right here, and hopefully you guys can see that. But as you can see, we have to try and press that original ball joint out and put in the new SPC ones. So the way to do that is, I think, to take out the retainer pins right there, unscrew the bolt but not all the way, and then I think you put in the special tool and then you pop it out. So the way to install these is, like I said, get your SPC ball joint plate and you put it in there, press it in, get your actual ball joint, put it in here, you slide this end up here, but I'm not too sure how it goes. Now if I go this way, it goes all the way, but if I flip it, it doesn't really go all the way. As you can see, there is still room. So I'm not too sure which way it actually is, but maybe this way, because you can get more adjustment. And then after you do all that, you want to put in your plate again, and then you put in the washer, and then you put in the nut, so then you can nut it off. Alright guys, so we just finished putting everything back on. I'm super excited to put the wheels back on, or at least try the TEs. And check this out guys, we're finally done after a few hours. And look, it can move, and that's what the ball joint is made for, to get some more camber. So guys, I think the closer you push it in, the more negative camber you get, and the further out of the car, the more positive. So it makes sense, because as you push it in, it'll camber in more. But as you can see, it's not too much, but hopefully it's enough to cover the TEs. If not, then yeah, we've got to think of the next step, maybe camber arms, but who knows. Let's hope this works. Alright guys, the SPC ball joint is now all installed and I just put on the TE37's. Are you guys ready? Drum roll please. Da 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 da. And it fucking looks the same. It fucking looks the same. Matter of fact, I swear all it did was tow it out even more and fix the camber. Like, if you look at the stock wheels, it's quite a lot of camber, but then with the fat wheels, it looks the same, just towed out. So kind of disappointing. It was my first time doing this. I took what, a day and a half to actually put just one ball joint, and I was hoping for at least a good result. And check this out, it looks the same. What the hell? 100 times way better? Nah, get out of here. This is hella shit. So I guess back to the drawing board and gotta figure out what we're gonna be doing next. It looks the same. You can kind of see the camber just a little bit, but yeah, it doesn't do the job. Hey, look at that. What the hell? It's about, I think, 30 mils. Fuck, 2 finger gap sticking out. What the hell? 100 times way worse. But hey, the tees do look good though. But no, what the hell? Yeah, maybe need some Voltex overfenders. I don't even know anymore. But like I said, guys, back to the drawing board. We're basically back to step one, which is, do we get camber arms? Do we get new fenders? Do we get just a fender extension like the Voltex one? Who knows, guys? All I know is looking at the drawing board, it's the same thing. We just knocked out the SPC Ball Joints. So comment down below, what do you guys reckon I should do? But in the meantime, I guess we're gonna be running the stockies for now again. But it was kind of my fault too. I knew it was only 1.5 degrees of camber, but I thought, take the risk, you know. A lot of people do this and it works, so that's a gamble I played and I lost. So guys, this is why people always say get wheels that fit, because it saves you the hassle, saves you the time and effort, and saves you the money and all the headaches. But guys, if I do pull this off, it's gonna look real sick. But if not, it's gonna be disappointing and it's just gonna be nah, that one's too expensive. This one, fuck. Ooh, who remembers this quick release? So new day today, guys, and I thought, you know, since the vlog is a fail vlog, you know, SPC joints fail, or hopefully, fingers crossed, I installed it wrong and I can adjust it. But you know, before end of vlog, I thought we might as well maintain the car a bit. We'll check the oils, top that up, and maybe just polish the exhaust and maybe a quick car wash. Anyways, guys, let's move the car in and then we start all that stuff. Yeah, with the Crocs. Guys, what do you reckon? Since today is already a failed video, suss this out. Should we install these? These are some wiper blade shields. Look at that. So basically these shields right here will sit on your wiper blades right here. If it fits, that's hella rice. But it's a fail video, so we might as well chuck this on for fun. But I don't know. What should we do first, guys? The weather is peaking, so I guess we just give the car a quick car wash. It's not too dirty, so just a light wash. So yeah, let's wash this beast right here. Let's go. So now the car is all clean, let's try and bring back the life of the exhaust. So the exhaust still looks good, it's still shiny, but I thought, you know, we might as well try and make it more shinier with this polish. So I already done this in a previous video, so I'm not going to explain too much, but basically, yeah, hopefully it brings back some more blue. And yeah, let's go. Alright, just finished the polish and look at that shine. 100 times way better. Look at that, hella new, eh? Just as good as brand new. Look at that, hella shiny. Look at that titanium tip. Yeet, didn't do the bottom though, but fuck it, look at that. 100 times way better, or nah. Alright guys, to make this vlog a bit boringer, look at this. Stay tuned, next video. Say geez, painting now, man.
Bro, it's been painting for the past 2 months, but you know, lockdown, we can't do anything.
Yeah, fuck. So mine's gonna be putting this on his X5. Fuck. Seiji drive V8 now.
Yeah.
Does that mean it's got 4 cylinders?
No, that's 3.5.
Oh yeah. But fuck, M3 like bumper. Alright, so car wash done, exhaust polish done. Now let's test the oil levels on the S2000. We are good to go. Alright, now everything is done. Guys, should I install this for shits and gigs? Right here, like I said, wiper blade shields. Should I install these for fun? Wow, maybe it'll make the car look 100 times way wider. What the fuck did I just say? Maybe it'll make the car look 100 times way better, eh? Who knows? Wow. Should I do it for shits and geek? Got nothing else better to do. $1 as well. Wow, that's basically free. Wow. Let's have a sus. Alright guys, so it just slides right in. Here like this, you're meant to bolt it in, but for now, let's have a sus. Wow.
Yo, that's actually sick. Every SDK needs to get over there.
Bro, that's actually 100 times way better. No lie, bro. No lie. Huh?
Where'd you get it from?
I don't know, but it was $1, so best cheapest mod ever, bro. Every car should have this.
If I had an SDK, I'd definitely cop one.
Yeah, bro. I reckon we put the other one on too.
Look, bro.
Huh?
It's like calling out all Honda guys should have this, bro.
Is that Prelude or EP3?
I don't know if it's a Honda.
But, bro, I reckon we can chop all the Lamborghinis now. Wow, look at that, bro. Wow. Do you reckon aerodynamics?
So like, to be able to chop GDRs and everything, the air comes here, in there, and fucking out there.
Oh yeah, because of these grooves, it will shoot the air past the roof. Wow. Bro, all the GDRs, where you at? Come.
You're gonna hear voodoo.
Voodoo. Far, what do you guys reckon? 100 times way better? Or nah, I reckon I can wipe faster now.
Highly recommend.
Yeah? Far. Oi, let's have a test how fast the wipers can wipe with and without it. Let's go. Alright guys, suss this out. So right now we don't have the wiper blade shields on. And let's see how fast the car can wipe.
Bro, it's slow as.
Yeah, look. Bro, that's slow,
That's
bro.
whack, yeah?
Yeah. Now let's test this on. I'm not gonna bolt it in just yet. And let's see if it makes a difference or not.
Oh shit. What the fuck, man?
Getting around, you know?
I didn't even know you could do that. Oh shit, so fast. Couldn't even contain.
Oh shit! Oh, it's stuck.
Oh, you fucked up good, bro.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck. I'm gonna wipe it up.
Oh shit.
Watch your fingers, boys and girls. Oh, hey, it's not stopping.
Fuck.
100 times way better.
It's like having hood vents, but without the hood vents.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what do you guys think of these wiper blade shields? 100 times way better? Or nah, Mun said, bro, 100 times way better. Aerodynamics.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, highly recommend. And cheap too, $1, man. Cheap, free shipping as well. So,
Bro, what's $1, yeah?
yeah, that's like free basically. But yeah, anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You know, hopefully you enjoyed me failing the SPC ball joints. If anyone knows if I installed it wrong or if anyone has any other tips, make sure to let me know, you know, because I'm too keen to run these wheels, but I can't figure out a setup. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to give this video a fat like PHAT, and guys, stay subscribed because check this out. M3A. But anyways guys, catch you guys in the next one. Laters. But far, take a look at that. 100 times, way better. No more 3-finger gap, it's like a 1.5 now. Fuck, look at that. Look at that camber, fuck. Look at it from here, fuck, hella camber. Looks like we're changing tires every 2 months. Fuck, look at this. Fuck. Alright guys, so my dumbass installed the SPC ball joints wrong. And look at it, it's 100 times way better now. It's hella fitment, sick. But I guess I'll explain that in another video, so stay tuned.
Oh, damn. Makes your stock wheels look tiny.
This hella whack, bro.